I'm going to show you how to make a 3D coiling paper chain. So what you'll need is some paper and some scissors, or you can just tear it really. But I cut off 2 strips of an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. Long and thin is what you want. So we're going to start by laying the corners on top of each other like this to make a sort of right angle, and then folding the paper back onto itself. And then we're just going to do this with both sheets, over and over. And you'll see that it starts to link together like that. And you're just going to do that all the way to the end of your paper. And it kind of doesn't have to be perfect. It's going to be so, like, I don't know, dimensional, it's not really going to make a big difference. All right. Now here we are at the end of our paper. And ta-da! That's how you make a 3D coiling paper chain. I'm Laura, thank you for watching.